In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate day-over-day growth in Power BI using DAX. Understanding how to analyze data changes day by day can provide crucial insights, helping you track growth trends and make informed decisions. So let's dive right in and learn how to achieve this using Power BI. First, let's begin by opening Power BI. If you don't have Power BI installed, make sure to download and set it up. Once you have Power BI open, you will see the main interface. Look for the Home tab at the top of your screen. This is where we'll begin our work. In the Home tab, you need to add a new measure. Measures in Power BI are essential for aggregating data and performing calculations. To do this, go to the Modeling section and click on New Measure. This will enable you to create a formula that calculates our desired result, which in this case is the day-over-day growth rate. Now comes the crucial part, where we'll enter the DAX code. DAX, short for Data Analysis Expressions, is a powerful formula language in Power BI that allows you to create custom calculations. Carefully type in your DAX code to execute your calculation. Unfortunately, I can't provide specific code here, but generally, you would write a formula that calculates the difference in data values between two consecutive days and then divides this difference by the previous day's value to get the growth rate. When you're typing the code, be sure to double check your syntax. DAX can be sensitive to errors like missing parentheses and commas. A typical DAX formula for day-over-day growth might reference your data tables and apply the correct filters. Make sure you're targeting the right fields for accurate results. With the measure created, the next step is to incorporate this measure into your reports or dashboards. Click on the report view and drag the measure into your visualizations. You might want to represent day-over-day growth using line graphs or bar charts. These types of visualizations can effectively display trends and make the growth rates easier to comprehend at a glance. Don't forget to format your visualizations to make them clear and appealing. Adjust fonts, colors, and data labels to ensure your audience can easily interpret the information. Power BI offers various customization options for this purpose. By following these steps, you should now have a functional day-over-day growth analysis set up in Power BI. Remember, analyzing how your data changes daily is valuable for identifying trends and making data-driven decisions. Make sure you save your Power BI file once you're satisfied with your setup. That wraps up today's guide. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you're now equipped to calculate day-over-day growth in Power BI. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tips and tricks.